For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and this is an example of an intraday trading opportunity using a product called Trade the News. It's TradeTheNews.com. Go there, tell them TraderInsight.com sent you. You might get a little bit of a special deal from them. But generally speaking, what I'm looking at here is takeover chatter in a stock called HGSI. The result is a fastball expansion of range and volume on an intraday chart. You kind of get into the party a few seconds late on this one. Now, this is also all time-lapse, so it's going to go by a little bit quicker than it normally would. But we see the pop. The 1030 bar is the one that creates the move. Got the fastball expansion of range and volume to the upside, just like the fastball daily setup in Around the Horn, a trader's guide to consistently scoring in the markets. That's my book. We are looking for a continuation move to the upside on this one. 1720, just a tick above that fastball bar, is our entry. And in this case, we're going to target $17.40. Go look for a move that represents about a 50% expansion of the bar that creates the fastball expansion of range and volume. Now, once we get there, just going to pull the plug. I'm not looking for a move any higher than that unless I'm listening to Trade the News and I hear that the takeover chatter is confirmed or that there is additional takeover chatter circulating. Generally speaking, these moves are pretty shallow, and we're just looking to get a couple $100 out of the market and move on to the next bit of news information that comes our way. So once we get there, do I want to take a reversal on this? No. Do I want to look for another pop to the upside? As I said, only if I get more chatter that confirms what's happening. Here we are at the target. We see that it extends a few pennies. Now we'll just lapse this back in again. And the next move that we're going to see on this intraday 5-minute chart is a move down to this pivot line. So once we get to the yellow pivot, do we buy and look for another move to the upside? Well, in the case of what's happening here, if you look at what happened from the red pivot, that first move up, and then look at the first move up above the yellow pivot, that indicates to me what the likely magnitude of that move is going to be. It's only about 10 or 15 cents, really not worth it on a risk or reward ratio standpoint. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, Adrian@TraderInsight.com. Use protective stops on every trade, and we'll see you in the war room.